Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are on the second part for our communication feature for the Huafit Watch Metro 2. And on this video, we are going to focus on the Bluetooth call feature. So we will try to add a phone number here. We'll have a demo of the call, the dial pad, and the phone book. So if you are interested to see how the Bluetooth call feature works with our Huafit Watch Metro 2, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and explore the Huafit Watch Metro 2 Bluetooth call. Again, we are already paired with the support app, the JU Pro application. But we still haven't set the Bluetooth call support. So let's activate the incoming calls. We have the frequent contacts here. Let's see if we already have or added a number in the phone book. Let's check, connect, contact persons, and not yet. So let's add one. Frequent contacts. Again, let's add, then Cindy. Oh, this one, not this one. Alright, so we have at least two here. Then, and it's already added, as you can see here, automatically added in our smartwatch. More settings. I guess that's it. So everything works, I think, for our Metro 2 smartwatch. So we have the number here, we have the dial pad, and we have here the call records. So everything is set for our Metro 2 smartwatch. So let's start and have a demo of the Bluetooth call support for the Metro 2 smartwatch. So let's start first by calling the number here for the smartwatch. Let's call, I think let's call Sam. If I'm not mistaken, this is the number. Calling Sam. And we have it here. But the name did not register here. It's not showing. And call. And call. Again, let's see. Are there any settings? Sound and vibration. Seems like there's no settings here. The call, Bluetooth call here is activated, as you can see. We have the call notification. It shows here. Again. Calling Sam, and we have the name here. Okay, it's already here. And call. Okay, so the speaker is very loud here, as you can hear. And next, let's have the contacts here. So let's call Cindy. Calling Cindy. Let's see if we can receive it here. Yes, we have the call here. Okay, and call. So the phone book works for our Metro 2 smartwatch. Next, let's have the dial pad. So let's have the number. We have the number of Cindy here, 0907-606. And let's see again. We have call records. We have Cindy. dial pad. So 0907 606 4970. Calling. And it's now calling scene, as you can see here. So it works for our dial pad. Okay. How about this one? 0969615839 and 9. Okay, it also works. Nice. Next, let's try to answer the call here on the smartwatch. So we have a Sam. We dial. Okay, so someone is calling here. So let's check. Let's try to answer the call and see if we can hear the call here. Hello? So there's a volume adjustment. The Bluetooth call works. Bye. Okay, so that's it for the demo of the Bluetooth call. And as you can see, we have the contact person here, so it works. The dial pad also works, as well as the call records. And we can answer it here directly on the smartwatch. So that is our demo for the Bluetooth call support of the Huafit Watch Metro 2 smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below. And of course, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.